My name is Jayakumar, CEO of Toons Media Group. Toons is a 360-degree media powerhouse with 2 decades of unparalleled international experience as a animation production company. We operate very globally right now, with operations other than Technopark. We have operations in New Zealand, Turkey, Ireland, London, Switzerland, and many other kind of countries. Thanks to Mr. Menon, when Mr. Menon is, he conceived the idea of setting up a studio. At that particular point in time, our promoters, the Chandaria family, has given him the mandate to start the studio at any part in the world. In fact, he has done a scouting trip across many Southeast Asian countries and finally decided to set up the shop in Technopark. The basic infrastructure he has seen in Technopark has convinced him to take the decision to set up the studio in Technopark. Technopark has come a long way in the last 2 decades. When I started here, it was a very small community, and now it has grown to 150 plus companies and probably 75,000 plus staff. One of the highlight, I would say, is a green eco-friendly park. That is one highlight. And second one, the work culture and professionalism within Technopark. It is a very important thing to highlight. The third one, I would say, is in the last 22 years we never had even one day where we had to stop our work because of electricity failures or bandwidth connection and all. So from an infrastructure point of view, compared to the rest of the country and rest of Kerala, I think Technopark is an unprecedented place. The IT ecosystem which exists in Technopark is phenomenal. As we all know, it is an SEZ, so it has all benefits of an SEZ. In addition to that, the talent pool availability. One of the reasons why Toons is set up in Kerala is because of the talent availability in the state. Trivandrum is not a swanky metro, compared to Bombay and Bangalore and all. But I love Trivandrum because one is its climate, its greenery, and also traffic. And if you really look at compared to other cities like Bangalore and all, traffic is horrible. Comparably, traffic is much more manageable in Trivandrum, and over a period of time in the last 2 decades, I think Trivandrum has also changed quite a bit thanks to Technopark. I think Technopark community and Technopark companies in general, I believe, are the first one who have positively responded to the COVID situation and embraced the post-COVID work culture. From our point of view, I think we did it with perfection. Within 2 days' time, we have done a massive asset transfer because our machines, the machines which we are used for animation production, are very high-end workstations with very high-end softwares in it. So we need to handle it with utmost care. And we have completed that 500 plus, the workstations transfer within 2 days' time. And then immediately thereafter, we were able to actually bounce back within 2 days. I would talk about the animation industry. I'm pretty sure that there are other IT stalwarts here in Technopark. They will talk about the IT. I think again, when we started this business animation industry, there was zero industry in India, not only in Kerala. Very recently, part of our 20th anniversary celebrations, we have done a survey in Kerala. We, to our surprise, we found that there were around 10,000 animators are from Kerala in the industry, and that these 10,000 people, we are very proud to say that we created the community, we created the ecosystem, and we have around 100 studios working from Kerala. So we are an award-winning studio. From day one, we have, for the first award came to us was from UNICEF. We got the Golden Award. This is way back in 2000. We have done a film called Stone Crusher, which got a Golden Award. And then from that point onwards, we were, kind of winning awards. We had Emmy nominations for our projects. We won international awards. We won FICCI awards several times. We won awards in Cartoon Film Festival in Italy. All around the world, Chicago International Film Festival, Dada Saheb Phalke Award in India. So I think multiple awards, kind of we won. And then we have also been recognized as one of the top 10 studios in the world to watch out by Animation Magazine, which is the trade magazine for animation industry. I really wanted to express my sincere gratitude to Technopark authorities for all the help they have given to us, even during our difficult times in the entire journey. And today we are one of the globally recognized force in the animation industry, and a lot of thanks goes to Technopark.